Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little video and talk you through how this worksheet was supposed to be done because it's a little bit confusing and I'm not available to answer questions. So you should be looking at this worksheet, and if you could do it on a separate sheet of paper please, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So I've copied the first one down. Oh, let's go back and actually look at the directions. So it says simplify any expression below, then evaluate the result for the given values of the variables. So here's your expression. You need to simplify it, then you will evaluate it. So we're going to do step 1, simplify, step 2, evaluate. So step 1 is simplify. We have 7x. Its like term, negative 2x. You combine those. That's 5x. You still have a plus 3. So that's what we're looking for first. If you want to do the puzzle sheet, the first step is looking for 5x plus 3. So we're looking here for, there it is, 5x plus 3. So what we are going to do is now evaluate this for x equals 8. This goes with letter I, as we found. Now we're going to say evaluate this for x equals 8. So we're going to go 5. Take out x, put in 8, put the plus 3 back. Now we're going to multiply, find an answer. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3, the answer is 43. Now remember that went with the expression that we found to be matched with I, and the answer when we evaluated was 43. So what we're looking for down here is the number 43. There it is. And you can put the letter I there because it came from the letter I in this expression that was simplified from number 1. So I hope that helped get you started a little bit. Again, I'm not available for questions today. Sorry, but this is due at 3 o'clock today. Have a great day. Sorry I won't see you today, but I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.